What do you think is most important to you in life? If I were to ask this young man sitting here. Career, so you are talking of what we call as success, right? Success is very important. But would you like to attain that kind of success which does not bring you happiness? So, what is coupled with success, almost as a sine qua non, is you would want success with happiness. Now, go and ask successful people, how many of them are in the real sense happy? Now, this is something, which is linked with each other so intrinsically. I have always thought of these two terms, success and happiness, in this context. When you said of success, you were thinking of career, right? Somebody may think of wealth, somebody may think of position, somebody may think of prosperity, somebody may think of recognition, right? So you are all wanting to get what you like, and therefore success can be, in a very simple way, friends, defined as success is getting what you like, right? Success is getting what you like. If you get what you like, you think you are successful, right? And what is happiness? Or when can you really be happy? Happiness, friends, in this same jargon, if success is getting what you like, then happiness should be, in the true sense, liking what you get. See, there are people, what happens? You say that, well, I'll be happy, when I get my career. And once you get your career, then you'll say, well, then I think I'll be happy if I become the president of the organization. You say, I'll be happy when I get a car, a big Ford or a BMW or something. You say, you'll be happy if you're able to take a foreign vacation with your family. So you are all postponing your happiness to certain points of time, that I'll be happy when I get this. And that keeps on eluding you all the time. And many a times it may be happy, you'll say, I'll be happy when I have more wealth than my neighbor. You have a lot of wealth, but you are unhappy because you have still less wealth than your neighbor or your friend or your brother. Now friends, just think of it. Where does happiness lie? Many of us think that happiness is a destination or lies in a destination. Do you think that's right? No. Where really should happiness lie? Not just in the destination. Destination will obviously be covered because it's one point. But happiness should lie in the journey. And only if you can experience happiness in the journey and not make happiness a destination, then and then alone, friends, you will have really a meaningful life. And this has to be correlated with what I said first, living in the present. Because every moment, if you live in the present, as you go ahead, you've lived moment after moment after moment. This is extremely important, friends. Please, please, please don't postpone your happiness. Happiness, remember that it lies in the journey and not in the destination. And also remember that no amount of success carries any meaning if you are not happy. See, you have seen people who are filthy rich, but they are not happy because they can't sleep at night. They have so many worries and tensions and this and that. Is that happiness? In fact, sometimes we wonder, that is wealth a sine qua non for happiness? No. If it were so, as I said, in fact, the man on the street, many a times he has a much better quality of sleep and you find him more refreshed and, joyful than some of your billionaires. I'm not trying to undermine the importance of wealth, prosperity, recognition. Please don't misunderstand me. But what I'm trying to say is you will have to accept this as a part of your life, that while success is getting what you like, happiness should be liking what you get. And if you like what you get, if you have a contentment not in the sense that there is a complacency that you don't do anything or don't achieve anything in life. You must have, if you are a career oriented, have your goals and have your mission. But then don't be frustrated or disillusioned or disappointed. If in proportion to your effort you may not get the result sometime. Still, and I think that, if Suresh Bhai, we really think of, I've often tried to interpret in my own little humble way as to what this eternal words of Gita, Karmanyevadhikaraste, mean. I think that, if you really think of it, means this, that do your best, and that is success.